No, pull them out too, bud. You're gonna fill both those rows up. Put them right. Now put them down.
So
Put
I
them down.
wash your feet.
So now you're gonna put warm ones in the back, right? You got these,
So
bud.
right here we got all our water.
You can pull right out the top. And start filling up both those rows, right? And just keep going.
There we go.
Two more in that row. That's enough for that row. Keep filling that row. Okay, now you can put some cold ones in front, right? So get some cold ones and push
Take
those
some of the
back.
cold ones from up front if you
Okay,
can.
keep pushing. You got room?
Yeah, maybe one more.
Then put
I
another
think.
one?
Then the rest we'll put in the other row.
Cool.
You're almost done.
Okay, buddy, now you got to put more warm ones in that row. Okay, no, that goes here. That's cold. There you go. Take a bunch of those. You're almost there, dude.